Hello friend, as you know from my post that I portrayed one of my famous anime manga character, and which has been I have recently seen on Netflix, and it has been much talked about. The people who are not familiar with anime has also watched this series or the movie, and this is one of the finest character of that anime or the movie. So the brain of the whole and is characterized as the main protagonist with the antagonist trait, and it has been very well portrayed in the film, and everyone who has watched the film is curious and is has liked this character very much. And it has been said that it took out around 6 to 10 or even more than 10 issues to know the full character of the name. And as the anime or the manga lover, you probably know that which character I am talking about. I am talking about the character which I have been drawn on my the A4 sheet paper with the help of grid, and you can see that it has taken the shape of that character. The unique thing about this character is the way of sitting, like the in the crotch position, and it's not very common in the Japanese, but this character has, through the delivery action, make the goosebumps and very natural. And I have tried to copy this character in the grid method. I forgot the name of the actual creator who had created this, but I was just looking at the reference image from the Pinterest, and it got me excited, so I took the photograph, and through my grid application app I used the custom size grid of 200 into 260, which is bit slighted lower than A4 size paper. And I have tried to draw this character, and as you can see, the character has already come in shape, and this character is known as the L, and it is one of the smartest character from the Death Note series. After the main protagonist turned antagonist Light Yagami and the Shinigami, if I pronounce it correctly, the Ryuk, and the Light, also known as Kira, means the good soul, which has been conveyed through the film. But see how it has came out, and you know by the line character that this character is unique in personalities. And here I am trying to make only the outline, and it took me more than the minute more than the 7 or the 10 minutes because I have to arrange its the whole. The main thing about the anime character is, or the manga character, is the hair and the eyes, and how he sits, and this is the iconic pose. And at first I tried to do the little bit of skit, and if you are happy with this drawing, you might give suggestion that what should I do or improve in the next drawing. I have used the grade method. As you can see, the grade is slightly visible. I have made the very light grade, and the grade is of 1.5 centimeter or the 15 millimeter. And as you can see, the eyes has started coming out. I know I have messed up with the nose, so I apologize for that. And see how it has come. And when I will show the reference image, you might see that it has come slightly like that, and I took my images and made it very bright. And see, what should I draw the next? The apple means the Ryuk, or the chips means the Light Yagami. Please vote, and thank you for visiting my channel or the premiere.